And at the moment, it is currently on this URL here, liamsworldwebsites.azurewebsites.net. How do I get my custom domain? How do I get Liam's test domain on there? Let's go down in the settings and go to custom domains. So ignore the fact that it's grayed out. That's deliberate. That's my my mask because my custom domain verification ID really don't want people to see because I can't change it very easily. So in here, this is where I said it's going to start costing money because I need to upgrade my app service plan. So what I can do is click on that one and it will take me through to upgrade it. But before I do that, you can see down here, the app service domains, it's already seen that I already have one available to use. So it's just down here and it's active, which is pretty cool. So if I click on here to upgrade my app service domain, let's go to dev and test because I don't need a production grade system. If I just select that one and click apply, this might take a second. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, cool. It's just going to be loading for a second. There we go. Awesome. So that is updated. Let's go back to this one, close that. So what we can see here is in custom domains. So we've got a little bit more information now inside this box, inside the portal. And then you can see we have one secure domain, liamsworldwebsites.azurewebsites.net, but I want to add a custom domain. Okay, so if I click on add custom domain here, and I want to put, what do I want? I want liamstestdomain.com. So let's copy that one. And let's put www.liamstestdomain.com and validate it. And as you can see, it's validated it nicely. So there's a custom domain verification number, which was pulled through from the domain itself. CNAME, again, we're not going to go into ANAME and CNAME records, but it's essentially having subdomains and part of that. So when you type in example.com or liamstestdomain.com, rather than putting your subdomain in, it should automatically filter through. Again, different stream. So we can add that custom domain on. And this demo is actually really kind of short today because it's really kind of like point and click. But what we can see is once it's done in that, awesome. So it is here, okay? So inside my app service, I can see I've got two domains. I've got Liam's World website and I've got www.liamstestdomain.com, but it's saying it's not secure. We'll ignore that for a minute because what we can do is go to, let's try and copy and paste that one into a web browser or into a tab, and hopefully it should do something. Okay, cool. So it is going to let me through, hopefully. It says it's unsafe. But we'll give it a moment. It might show. Ah, awesome, it did. Cool, so as you can see, it's not secure. HTTPS is not enabled, so we haven't got secure traffic. All that means is that there's no SSL or TLS certificates when I attach this domain. Therefore, I can't provide any security with data in transit or that's going through the website. But it's fine because I don't actually have any data going through the website yet, but I will do. So I do want to have a certificate there. What I can do to do that is in the portal on the app service, if I go to TLS and SSL settings, what I want to do is click, have a little read through here. You can kind of see there's nothing available. I need to go and create one. So I want to go to private key certificates. And in private key certificates, we have these options. So you can import one, you can upload certificates or import key vault certificates. So anything from elsewhere. Or what I want to do today is create an app service managed certificate. This is awesome because it means I get one for free with Azure App Services. Therefore, sometimes it can cost quite a bit. And I want to add it for this one. So if I had multiple domains, I could select them from here, but I want to tie it to liamstestdomain.com and click create. Now this could take a minute. I hope it doesn't take too long. At least when I did it last, it was pretty quick, but I've done it previous to this as well, and it's taken a bit more time. So we'll give it a moment. So I'm just checking, is there any, there's no questions in the chat yet. Keep them coming. If you have any questions, please do put them in the chat. Let me know or ask me. Oh, fantastic. it has created already. Goodness, that was quick. Awesome. So if we look down here, it's still saying that it is not secure. That's because we need to put a binding. So we need to do an SSL binding. And what that means is the certificate was created for the domain name. However, still haven't bound it to the domain name. So to tell it that to use that certificate. So I want to click on add binding. And what it'll do is it's saying, come down here. So we look at the custom domain. Again, if we had a different one, I'd have multiple in there, but I don't. I've only got one. I've got the certificate thumbprint, which I want to collect is this one here. So liamstestdomain.com. And you see it's like funny valued after. And for the TSL, we want the SNI and SSL type there. Add that as a binding. Let that validate. And all of a sudden we can see it is secure. But we're not done yet. There's one more thing that we need to do. And we need to make sure that we only have HTTP traffic only going through to this app service. So I need to check that and turn that on. And hopefully that has done it. So if we were to go to this website over here and I reload, and it hasn't done it yet, let's do it again. Don't think I need to save anything there. Give that a moment to update. Oh, it does want me to save something. I don't know, let's try it. It was playing a bit weird earlier as well. But we go with it. There we go, fantastic. It's set up, it's bound, it worked. We have got liamstestdomain.com, and as you can see in the top left corner, we have got the connection is secure. We've got the little padlock, which tells me that that domain there is secure with a certificate.